Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brittany, and if this is your first time stumbling across my channel or my videos, I focus on fashion, beauty, and hair. So if that seems like something that you may be interested in, definitely think about clicking that subscribe button if you enjoy the content. So today's video is going to be a small Dior unboxing, so if you are interested, then stick around. Okay guys, so here is the box that the items come in, and I did purchase from Dior.com, so I like that the box is ambiguous and you can't tell what it is, and even on the label it just says CDC e-com, so that's a really good thing, especially if it's left on your doorstep or whatever have you. So let's go ahead and open this up. So I have my little knife here, and I have this in my lap, so forgive me if you can't see, but okay guys, so this is washing me out because as you can see it's white, but I just want to show you, once you do open it up, you do get the beautiful packaging on the inside. So here we go. So first things first, they give you this envelope, but they do kind of like stick it on the back, so it kind of ruins it. So if you're really into packaging and you want to keep that, then that ain't gonna work for you. So this is the gift packaging. I sent this to myself, but I give myself a little gift, I like the packaging. So you will receive your receipt, and it just has all of my information on here, and it also has how you can return the items. This is my little note to self, and then you'll also get a free UPS return label. So they do send these items via UPS. And let me just take the things out because this thing is heavy. All right, so here is the gorgeous Dior packaging. It's just so beautiful. So you may be able to tell like the items that I got a pair of shoes and a small little piece. So let's go ahead and do the small box first. So it's wrapped really beautifully. You can see that it has the ribbon, and I love this textured box, if you guys can see that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up. Alright guys, so here we go. I picked up the friendship bracelets, and these are the original colors that they came in. I love these so much. I was looking for this colorway when I went to Atlanta, could not find them. So I had to order these, and I just kept thinking like, do I really want to pay the $390 for these, because they do retail for $390 US. But a friend of mine, we were going to get them together, then that didn't work out, so I was like, I just want them. So I picked them up, and they are the blue ones, and one of them have the Christian Dior. It has, excuse me, Christian Dior, and these are like really kind of hard too, in a good way, so it's not too flimsy. And then this one has the Christian Dior J'adore on it, so super cute, perfect for stacking. And this is just how they look on, and they have a little tassel, so you can just pull those to make them tight. But let me show y'all. Okay, had to switch hands, y'all. So here is how they look, if you can see that. Let's slide them on, and again they have the little tassels here so you can pull them tight. But like I said, perfect for stacking. They do give kind of like a boho vibe, but I think these would be really cute for the summer, and I'm loving them. All right, so let's move on to the next one. So as you can see, this box is wrapped up really nice as well with the ribbon. It has the satin ribbon, and I love the gold and white. It's just so pretty. So let's go ahead and open this up. So this is what it looks like once you get the box open. You do get a dust bag here. It's very nice. It has like that, I don't know, it's just high quality cotton. It feels like my Egyptian cotton sheets. But yes, it just has the Dior here in white on a gray dust bag. And you'll also receive the authenticity card in this little envelope. I believe that's what that is. So this is actually a care card. It just tells you how to take care of your items. So here we go. All right guys, so let's open these up. So this is what they look like. And I picked up the Dway mules, like I said, in the blue color. So these actually have a very small heel, similar to my Chanel slides that I picked up when I was in Atlanta. And I tried these on when I was in Atlanta without the heel, just the flat ones, and they were very flat on my foot. But I like the burgundy enough to like deal with the flatness. So I was like, you know what? I may get the burgundy. They didn't have my size. So when I looked online, I just so happened to look online when I was getting my bracelets, and I saw that they had these with the heel. Now, if they would have had the burgundy with the heel, I would have jumped on it so fast. But that was my first time seeing these, so I decided to go ahead and pick them up. I wanted to try these on to see if I would like them. I'm not like a huge blue girl, but of course I can wear these with my friendship bracelets, and they're very casual, so they'll look nice with jeans, white t-shirts, and things like that. But I did want to try these on because y'all know I'm a heel girl, and anything that's going to give me a little bit of height, I'm all here for it. So I wanted to see if I would like these. And I'm going to try them on and show you guys how they look on. But if I don't like them, I'll just return these and get them in the burgundy color. Almost forgot to show y'all the box. So these just say embroidered cotton or cot, and then it has 56B deep blue right here. So that's the color. And then I got these in a size 38. Now I'm usually a size US 7.5, but because I haven't tried these on with the little heel, I just wanted to be safe, more safe than sorry. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these on and show you guys, and then I'll decide if I'm gonna keep these or if I'll be returning them to get the flat burgundy pair. So stay tuned for the mod shots. So now that you have seen them on, let me know what you think. I also wanted to let you know that when I did purchase these online, I went on Dior.com, purchased them. They were tax-free, which I love because we don't have a Dior here in my area. However, once my order went through, I received an email like the next day, basically asking me to send over my passport or driver's license to make sure that I was me, you know. So I thought that was a really nice touch, just to make sure that no one's swiping up your card. But usually that doesn't happen with online purchases. Usually they'll go through like the credit card or the debit card, you know, bank or whatever, to make sure that it is like an actual card. But this way they were like, let me see that ID, so they can make sure that, you know, they were covering themselves as well. So I really did appreciate that, and I just wanted to let you guys know, just in case you do order from the Dior website. So yeah guys, that concludes my little Dior unboxing. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and I will talk to you on my next video. Bye guys.